Good morning, class. For today's lesson, we're going to tackle and discuss factoring perfect square trinomial. First, we must know how to identify perfect square trinomial. Paano ba malalaman na isang trinomial ay perfect square trinomial? Here, x squared plus 6x plus 9. This is a trinomial. But the question is this a perfect square trinomial? Paano malaman na ito'y perfect square trinomial? Siyempre, meron tayong mga condition. First condition, first term must be a perfect square. First term must be perfect square. Given, this is our first term, x squared. Is x squared a perfect square? Yes or no? Biliano, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is correct. Why? Because the exponent of the given variable is an even number. Next, the last term must be also a perfect square. So in our given, the last term is 9. Tanong, is 9 a perfect square? Yes or no, Biliano?
Yes, sir.
Yes! Perfect square na naman ang last term. And the last condition will be, the middle term must be twice the product of the square root of the first term and the last term. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yung daw middle term ay 2 because of twice the product of the square root of the first term. Ano pang square root ng x squared? Bilyaro?
X po, sir.
X. So, dapat x tayo rito. And the square root of the last term. Ano pang square root ng 9? 3. So, if the product of this one is equal to the middle term, ibig sabihin ito ay PST. Check natin. 3 times 2 times x, 6x, sakto ba sa middle term?
Opo.
Therefore, this is an example of perfect square trinomial. Example. 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Is this a perfect square? Let us try to find out. The first term must be a perfect square. 4x squared. Is this a perfect square? Meron ba itong square root? Anong square root ng 4? 2. Anong square root ng x squared? X. Therefore, ang ating first term ay perfect square. So, check tayo sa first condition. Next, second condition. The last term must be a perfect square. Anong square root ng 25? 5. Therefore, ang last term natin is also a perfect square. Now, look at the middle. Condition number 3. The middle term must be twice the square root of the first term and the square root of the last term. Let us try to find out. 5 times 2 times 2
20.
times x
20x.
20x. Is it equal to the middle term? Yes. Therefore, this is an example of perfect square trinomial.